Remove the screws from the rear panel. Remove the rear panel of the machine. Remove the transformer wire terminal. Remove transformer screws. Replace with a new transformer and secure the screws. Insert the transformer wire terminal into the corresponding slot on the main board. Organize and secure the wiring harness. Open the fuse box cover. Pry off the blown fuse with the tip of a pair of scissors. Install a new fuse. Close the fuse box cover. Close the mainboard box cover. Close the back panel of the machine and secure the screws.